first ever video of the Epics, the Epics channel, and we're talking about this. But Zoe is not part. We have members, 3 girls and 2 boys, which I recall. I am Alexis, and this is Regine, and that's Brittany, and then there's Johan and Eman. That's what I can't find him out. Just okay, it's him, Eman. But I assure we will upload music videos, and I am the one responsible for the gaming videos for Minecraft. But it seems to be that I lost my skin and everything, but it's okay, guys. I can recover from that. But I also lost my account, but it's okay. I can play offline, and I know a lot of crack servers, and this is just a review, and for my voice sounds very young, like I'm 5 years old, but it's actually my mic that has a problem. It makes me, uh, you know, sound like a 5-year-old, but I'm really 11, and we're planning to start, or compose a new song when we're a bit older. And I hope you like it. And the Epic channel hasn't had any subscribers yet, but I know we will grow. And for our support, please subscribe if you are watching this video. And so hard these times, but I will see you later. Bye.